Hi guys, welcome to Single with a Life and to my new series, Effective Singleness. My name is Peace Amewowor. If you call me Sweet Lady, you will not be wrong. I would like to thank you all, especially those who are new on this page. I really appreciate you guys for your support, and I'll give a brief introduction of myself. So my name is Peace. I'm a wife and a mother of 2 children under the age of 3. So my youngest is almost 4 months now, and my hands are very, very full. I'm also an author of 2 books. So my first book is about how I overcame prayers I prayed as a single. And the second book is about the mandate, and that is about the Single with a Life vision that God has given me. Apart from that, I'm also obviously the founder of Single with a Life and Married with a Life. So the whole idea is once our singles get married, they move to the next vision, which is Married with a Life. And I also have the coaching services business, which is more of a personal business that we host. My husband and I use that platform to prepare our singles who want to get married. Okay, so it's normally a paid class for our singles or anyone who want to take advantage to learn more about the principles of marriage, some of the things that you may encounter before you get married. Okay, so that's what we do. So in a nutshell, that is all that it is about me. So let's go into today's topic and our new series, Effective Singleness. If you are here, please leave a comment. Let me know you are watching. Let me know which country you are watching from. If you are a SWALian, which team are you? Please, let's make this interactive. Whilst I'm speaking, if you've got a question, you can post it in the chat. I will do my best to keep an eye on the comment section and answer you. So today is going to be an introduction of the topic Effective Singleness. The SWAL vision in its simplicity is about effective singleness and marriage preparation. So the effective singleness bit is what I'm going to be doing on Facebook. The marriage preparation bit is the paid class that you can register and join. My aim is that by the end of this whole series, you will not only know how to live a purposeful or an effective single life, but you will also know how to choose the right spouse. So this video is going to be a 2-in-1. Okay, it's going to be a 2-in-1. So those of you who are still searching and praying and trusting God to connect to the right person, hopefully by the grace of God, this series will help you to be able to make the right choice. So we're going to be looking at 3 words, 3 key words: single, effective, and then singleness. So the topic is effective singleness. So who is a single? Who is a single? Most of the time when we invite people, or my singles invite people to join us on our WhatsApp group, one of the things they say is, oh, the person said they won't join because they are in a relationship. They are not single. They are in a relationship. Okay, so many people have this wrong definition for single. So I'm going to help us to define what is single. Who is a single? So a single is someone who is not married. So if you haven't gone through the customary marriage rite, or you have not signed any legal document that binds you to a spouse, for you to say that, yeah, this is my husband or this is my wife, it means that you are single. So relationship is not marriage. Cohabitation is not marriage. Courtship is not marriage. Okay? So when we invite you to Single with a Life, as long as you're not married, please join us. Okay? I hope that is clear. And that period of you being unmarried, the period whereby you are not married, is what we call singleness. So singleness is the quality or the state of being single. Now let's look at what the dictionary says. What does it mean to be effective? So to be effective means to be successful in producing a desired or intended result. So it means that you have to have a desire or something that you want to achieve. Unfortunately, many singles, their desire is, I want to get married, and that's it. Which is not wrong in itself, but if marriage is the only thing you desire to have in your life or throughout your singleness stage, then it means something is wrong. And that is why I am here to help us or to help you to think deeply and be intentional about what you want to achieve during this stage. There are some people who may say that, well, I have a desire. I know what I want to achieve, but I don't know how to do it. Okay, some people too don't have a desire at all. So first of all, the question you have to ask yourself is, what is my desire? Apart from marriage, what else do you want in your life? What else do you want to achieve? By the time your husband finds you, or by the time you find your wife and you walk down the aisle and you are declared husband and wife, by that time, before that time, what do you want to achieve as a single? Okay, so that's a question that I'm throwing to you. And actually, I'm going to give this question to you as a homework. Okay, think about it. And for those who already know what they want, but they don't know how to go about it, by the grace of God, this series will help you know the steps to take to be able to achieve those things. I hope you are taking notes. Please always come with your notebook because we are going to journey together. And if you allow me to journey with you, I can assure you that by the end, you'll be praising and thanking God. So to be an effective single means you should successfully achieve those things that you desire before you get married. And then whilst you are married, you'll build upon it. So that is also the purpose of our Married with a Life vision. Whatever you started with during your singleness, whatever you achieved, you don't just leave it to die when you get married. You continue to build upon it whilst married. It will be an error to enter your marriage empty. It will be a very big error that after 20 years or after 25 years, after 30 years, after 40 years of being single, you entered your marriage with nothing. It will be a very sad story. And it's an error. It will be an error to see marriage as the place where you want to achieve your desires. So right now, you've got things that you want to achieve. But if you are telling yourself that I will wait until I get married before I start working on those things, you are making a big error. It's a big mistake. Because many people, their visions, their dreams die in marriage. Especially if they did not get a supportive husband. If your husband, especially the women, because as for the men, they are the head. They are the ones that normally want to lead, or they are the ones that should be leading so that we are following them. So, if you don't have anything and you come into the marriage empty, and your husband too doesn't have anything, and you also come into the marriage empty, then the two of you, empty heads, you will have empty marriage. It's very important that the singleness stage is utilized very well before marriage comes in the first place. So the best place to achieve your desires is during your singleness, and the best time to achieve them is now. You can start working on them and then give yourself a timeline that, okay, maybe by the next 5 years, this is what I want to achieve, and you work towards that. Especially now as a single, you have less responsibilities. You may think you are busy as a single. Wait until you get married. Then you will know what is busyness. You may think you have a lot of responsibilities as a single. Wait until you are married. Your head will be spinning like, where is everything? Where do I start from? You'll be all over. Okay, so you are busy now, but you are not as busy as you will be when you get married. So the best time to achieve your desires or to become whatever you want to become is now. Now that you are single, not when you get married. Some of you, as I said earlier on, may be struggling, even though you know what you want to achieve, you just don't know how to do it. Okay, so in my next episode, we will look at what you need to become an effective single. So in other words, what you need to successfully achieve your desire or the things that you want in life. So I'll give you an assignment. This broadcast is not going to be long. I'm going to keep them sweet and short, but there's going to be a lot in each session. So the assignment is, apart from marriage, what else do you desire to achieve in your life? Okay, write them down and come with them in the next episode. So one of the things that you will need to become an effective single is a vision and a plan. Okay, so write the things you desire. And the next episode, we're going to talk about vision and the plan. How you can put the things that you desire into a vision and the steps you need to take to achieve them, the practical steps. So the second assignment is go and read about vision and planning. What is vision? What is planning? Go and read about it. Go on YouTube, okay? Find messages about vision or visioning and then planning. 2 assignments I've given you today. Please take it seriously. If you journey with me, trust God for me. By the time you enter your marriage, you'll be coming to look for me wherever I am. You will come and look for me to say thank you. I know this is going to impact you. So please do your best and do those homework. Also, on the Married with a Life Facebook page, I'll be hosting a live broadcast as well next week, Sunday. So that one is going to be reasons why some men do not help their wives. So as a single, you need this information. It's part of your marriage preparation. So please make time and join that as well. If you are married and you are watching this series, please find your way on the Married with a Life Facebook page. Next week, it will be the same time, 7 p.m. UK time. I'm running a pregnancy series and cooking series on the Married with a Life Facebook page and YouTube channel. These are things that will help you as well as a single. So as part of your marriage preparation, as part of your effective singleness, please go to those videos and watch them. And above all, the singles and couples talk videos. These are discussions about different topics that will really, really bless you. So make some time during the week and watch them. God bless you all. I'll see you in the next episode. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.